Okay, and the last thing I wanted to show you was just overlaying Geosoft's version of Google Earth, because especially these shallow filters that we try to look at the shallow features, we can help try to see what's going on from the surface images. So let's put on our vertical derivative here, and I'm going to take off my magnetics, and now I'm going to go up here to data services and add a zoom mapped imagery. And in the type, I click on aerial and I click OK. And then it loads up. And if you take off your magnetic map, you can see the topography in the background. And it's quite interesting to compare them to. So in general, or actually, let's put up the magnetic data. So in general, this large pink anomaly here doesn't really correlate with anything with topography, which I'm not surprised because it's in the basement underneath it. But I really wanted to see if these smaller blobs, which link with darks and sills, can show up as anything. So let's look at this circular feature up here. Not super easy to see, kind of. I would think that possibly this circle here could be a sill. So there's a lot of saucer-shaped sills in this region. You can even, this is the vertical derivative when I put it on. It does seem to correlate there. This here looks like the edge of a sill, though it's round on the edge of the study area. Yeah, this looks like the edge of a sill there. You can see I studied this a lot for my PhD, so now I feel like I'm an expert in what a sill looks like. Something that looked very interesting. Where was it? It was linked to, sorry, I was looking at this yesterday. Let's see if it was the analytic signal. What are we on now? We're actually on the vertical derivative. Trying to zoom in this region here to map this dark. I think we didn't have too much luck yesterday. But then I exported this as a KMZ, and it was great to see the correlation on the Earth's surface. Sorry, I've got too many grids on here. I'm trying to look for my dark. So you can see here on the topography this east-west feature that then is going into this eroded feature. So highly likely that it is a dark. If we put back on our vertical derivative, it correlates quite well. So I would have said it was a dark. So yeah, very useful to just look at what is actually there on the ground surface. This is actually the edge of the escarpment in South Africa. And so the escarpment is really, it's made up of these hard to weather sills. And so, yeah, the edges here is really just the edges of the sills as we go down onto lower topography here. So not surprised that there is a strong magnetic response in this region.